investment scheme. Savings in general. Sounds a bit hard out. You know the old, I'm not gonna spend this money, I'm gonna save it. I'll put it somewhere safe where I can't touch it. But end up spending it anyways. All of it. Been there, done that. We all have our own wāwata, our own goals. Nice whare, be debt free, flash waka, go on that holiday or plan for retirement. Toi Tupu, the Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei savings scheme is going to help you do that. And you don't even have to do much. You don't even have to contribute your own pūtea. Oh wait, just one condition. You need to be a registered hapu member of Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei. It's easy to sign up. Number 1, make sure you're registered with Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei. Number 2, fill in an application form. Number 3, supply your IRD number and tax rate. Number 4, sign and submit your application form. Number 5, do this all before 1st of June 2018. Kua mutu, mā manoiho. This is Whātua investing in Whātua. Kia tupu toi, kia tupu ora a Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei.